We'll guide you through how to save DaVinci Resolve projects. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Once you're in the program, go to the top left corner and click on the File menu. From the drop-down, select Save Project if you want to update your current project. If you're creating a new project or saving under a different name, choose Save Project As. This will allow you to enter a name for your project, and you can choose the location on your computer where you want to save it. It's a good idea to save your work frequently while you edit, so you don't lose any changes. To make sure your project is safely stored, you can also use Export Project to create a backup of your project file. This option is in the same File menu. Just select Export Project, choose a location, and hit Save. This will create a .drp file, which you can import back into DaVinci Resolve if you need to access your project on another device or after a system restore. Remember, frequent saves and backups help protect your work from unexpected software crashes or system failures. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.